Welcome back to Digital Trends Live. Drop in your comments, your questions as we go through the show today so we can get to those. And I'm sure a bunch of people are going to have questions for our next guest. You've seen her on the Hallmark Channel. You've seen her on CBS, a Cosmopolitan, BuzzFeed. I mean, the list goes on. And Skincare by Alana is the name of the company, skincarebyalana.com. And we have Alana Mitchell joining us right now. Hello, Alana.
Hi.
Hi. Thanks so much for hopping on the show today.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite topics.
Yay. Well, we've got a bunch of stuff to get to, but what I wanted to do maybe just right off the bat is just explain for everybody in case they don't know, what is Skincare by Alana and what do you do at your site?
Absolutely. So Skincare by Alana is my retail store where you can purchase different brands. I have retail over 300 brands actually.
Wow.
And then I also became a manufacturer myself about 2 years ago, and I have my own brand of skincare.
That is really impressive, making your own skincare products.
Yes, and I came out with the device just a few months ago, so it kind of segues into this topic perfectly.
Perfect. Well, let's talk about the device that you came out with.
Thank you. Yes, it's the Alana Mitchell eye wake up device, and it is great for the eyes. It's great for the lips, and it combines two technologies, which it combines a massage technology or vibration, and then cryotherapy and thermotherapy, which is basically a hot or cold light that emits to the skin.
So what does the product look like? Do you happen to have the product there?
Let's see. My husband's going to go see.
Okay, we'll see if we have it. But no, talking about this, so this sounds like it's something that would kind of cover a lot of bases, because one of the things we bring up here on the show is, especially with the holiday season, like gifts that we can get for people, and this sounds like it combines a little bit of everything.
Yes, devices are super popular. You said it. It's a holiday season. I always see a huge increase in devices this time of year. Yeah, this device, I took a long time kind of researching it and figuring out what was going to be the best. I'm all about giving people the biggest bang for their buck. So multitasking products. So when you combine technologies like the massage or vibration and the cryotherapy and the thermotherapy together, you're going to get the best results. And it's under, a very affordable price. So here's the box that it comes in.
So we're taking a look right now. So this is the box. And again, what is the name of this product?
It's the Miss W Eye and Lip Wake Up Device.
Okay. And so what is the end result? What does this do for someone?
That's a great question. So the end result is if you have puffy eyes, which I'm a working mom, so I always have puffy eyes. I used it this morning because my boys have the flu. So I was up a lot last night.
Fun.
And so you put it under your eyes, you apply an eye cream, and it really helps with the puffiness, the dark circles, product penetration, so you'll see fine lines smooth out, and then around the eyes, the lips here, underneath your eyes here, your nasolabial folds, above your lips, that will help to plump and hydrate, and you get instant results, and that's what I think most people are looking for. They don't want to see it in a month, they want to see it right away.
Absolutely. I mean, yeah, I think, you want to know right away what you've just invested in is going to be paying off. And so where can people pick this product up?
They can go to my website, skincarebyalana.com, and my name, Alana, is spelled A-L-A-N-A, so I know that sometimes throws people off, and I have it there.
Fantastic. Well, that's a great idea for a holiday gift that somebody could pick up right now. Let's walk through some of the other things you wanted to bring up here.
Yes, so devices. There are a ton of devices out there, and one of my favorites is by Tria. It's a at-home laser device, and it's actually FDA approved for laser hair removal. They really, I believe, started the trend of technology in the beauty world. And gosh, that was several years ago. So I've been retailing their products for at least the last 6 or 7. And that company is booming. They've grown tremendously. They were actually starting work in the 90s.
So this is an over-the-counter laser hair removal device?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
So instead of going to a medical spa, you could purchase this device for a couple $100, bring it home and use it, and you will see results. I've seen results. I've used the product myself.
So you're saving money right away, sounds like.
Yes. It's not quite as quick, I would say, as a med spa laser, but you still get results pretty quickly, like 4 to 6 weeks.
Okay. So, and that's a $200 gift is what we're saying, like a $200 or under that you can pick that one up.
A little more than that.
A little more than that. Sorry, my bad. But I don't know what the price is.
yeah, like under 500.
Under 500. I think you were saying that 200 was for like a spa treatment.
Yeah, one spa treatment would be like $200 one time going in.
Gotcha.
So you figure that.
Couple of times you paid for it right there.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's continue on and talk about some of the other devices. I think it's interesting seeing how technology is influencing skincare, and that they don't have to be at the opposite ends, because I guess usually you think of skincare as lotion and again,
Right.
I'm kind of a novice on this, so I'm asking for your help. So I need help on this. This is why we go to the website for you. But yeah, it's interesting seeing this combination of technology and skincare products.
It is, yeah. Another one I thought you guys would be really interested in because it combines your iPhone, and it's Neutrogena. They just launched this year, actually, and it's called the Skin 360 and Skin Scanner with Fit Skin.
Okay, it's called Skin 360.
Yeah, it's an attachment to your iPhone. So you attach it to your iPhone and scan your skin, and it will upload and will read and tell you what's going on with your skin.
Wow, that is wild.
And that's only about $50. So that's really inexpensive.
And you've tried it out, and it's accurate, and...
Yeah, I'm going to try it out. I actually, upon doing this, I kind of researched and found more things. Since this actually launched just this year, it's kind of newer to market. So yeah, I have it in the mail.
Great. Well, and that's a really interesting use of technology, because I think the more we start seeing phones being able to scan and get the high-res images and to be able to go through that the more we're going to find out, and the more this is going to combine, with this kind of an industry, just with all kinds of industries. Mm-hmm. Let's walk on to another product. Let's talk about something else.
Absolutely. So the Tria was one of my favorite, like I mentioned, some other great products out there. Like, for example, high frequency, radio frequency. These are just different technologies that devices have. Let's see what else. Oh, the Clarisonic. Clarisonic, you guys probably might be familiar with that. It's owned by L'Oreal now, but when they started, it actually started from the toothbrush, the Sonic Care toothbrush.
Okay.
So you remember when that came out probably about 10, 15 years ago? So that inspired them to make the Clarisonic facial brush. So it cleans your face.
Wait, so it's like because I believe mine is a Sonic Care at home. I think it's that brand. So, okay, you've got it right there. So you actually just scrub this on your face.
Yeah, now, and it's different. So talking about technology, this is Sonic. So the Sonic technology is what actually is cleaning your skin rather than, it's not just spinning. So, you've probably had a toothbrush that just spins.
Yeah.
And then you've probably had a Sonic toothbrush that actually really cleans your skin. Your teeth when you're brushing your teeth.
Gotcha. Okay, I know what you're talking about now. Yeah.
So the Sonic is really what's getting in and cleaning your skin, the way these bristles move and the technology. And I love this. I use this every night when I wash my face, and I have the toothbrush, of course. So the Sonic technology is what's cleaning your skin versus like a spin or electric brush. And there's a lot of those on the market. They're not bad. They just don't quite clean your skin like the Sonic one does.
Wow, I'm kind of like, I want to use that. I'm also kind of scared to use that at the same time.
Oh no! They have actually a device just for men because they kind of figured out, they'll probably be intimidated with all this. So here we go. We got that gray one was actually my husband's.
Perfect. Well, these are some great ideas, for all kinds of things, for especially this holiday gift ideas that people can pick up for other people. And, Alana, I want to say thank you so much for hopping on today too, to talk about all of this. So skincarebyalana.com. Everybody can go there and pick up the products. Where else can they follow along with everything that you're doing?
Skincare by Alana. I'm on Instagram, so I post a lot of things there. My blog gets a lot of hits, so people read that and find a lot of useful information from there. So yeah, Instagram and Facebook.
Thank you. Well, you are a wealth of information, and Alana, thank you so much for hopping on the show today. It's Alana Mitchell with Skincare by Alana right here on Digital Trends Live.